Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorting and airbag triggers. This is safety first. Next, remove the glove box screws and lower the glove box so you can see the lower dash bolts. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the trim around the A/C vents and center bezels. Work slowly to avoid clips breaking. Once done, keep fasteners organized and note clip locations so reassembly is straightforward. These early steps open the path to the dashboard core. You now remove the center console trim and unbolt the screws behind the radio and climate control module. This exposes deeper mounting points. Once panels are loose, carefully unplug electrical connectors. Label each harness with tape and a note so reconnection is simple. Support the dash with a helper or padded jack and then remove the upper bolts near the windshield and A-pillar. This prevents the dash from sagging. Make sure to keep screws grouped by location so you won't mix them later. You're at the final stage. With a helper, lift the dash away from the mounting clips while guiding wiring and HVAC hoses clear of the frame. Disconnect the remaining harnesses and the blower motor connector only when the dash is partially free. This avoids sudden strain. Inspect all connectors and ductwork for damage before fully removing the assembly. If a clip or trim resists, apply gentle heat and pry slowly. This troubleshooting tip prevents plastic cracking and saves time during reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.